It's not your birthday, Rafiki. But it's Irie Luna's 3-month birthday. Happy birthday, Irie Luna. You're big enough that you have to be seatbelted into this chair. Ha 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 ha. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Irie. Happy birthday, babe. I know you're not wild about being videoed, but it's your birthday, and you're wearing the cutest pajamas. Thank you, Groovy. Remember Grandma Groovy? Feeling groovy, da 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 da. Feeling groovy. Hello, lamppost, what you knowin'? I've come to watch your flowers growin'. Ain't you got no rhyme?